Hi, I'm Ada. Sheetloom is the decision engine used by smart businesses, delivering decision intelligence that's affordable, flexible, and scalable. Sheetloom manufactures spreadsheets directly from trusted templates. Cutting and pasting is gone. And so are the business risks of making a mistake. This video demonstrates how CSV files can be used as a data source with Sheetloom to automatically populate your spreadsheets. This is an example CSV file which will be uploaded to Sheetloom and will then update an Excel dashboard. Shown are match and bookmaker statistics from the Premiership and Championship soccer leagues. Sheetloom can be used with databases, APIs, and also CSV files. Sheetloom seamlessly weaves data from sources such as historical performance databases, sportsbooks, and social media sites, directly into Excel decision models to give your clients an edge in sports trading. Distributing decision intelligence across the organization is made easy with Sheetloom. Once processed, the dashboard will be updated with the latest data, as shown here. To start, upload the CSV file into Sheetloom, so that the data can then be used within your spreadsheets. The template, which contains a reference to the CSV file in a tab name so it can be mapped by Sheetloom, is then uploaded into Sheetloom. It is then ready to be woven. Sheetloom gets the latest data from the CSV and copies it into a new sheet based on the template. The spreadsheet has been automatically populated and updated with the football data provided from the CSV. You can now enjoy Excel's full functionality driven by Sheetloom to get the edge on your decision making. Sheetloom is looking for sports data partners to deliver cutting-edge decision intelligence at scale throughout client organizations. Visit sheetloom.com for more information or to schedule a demo with us.